Right, good morning everybody. I hope that you have had a good weekend. So we're going to be continuing with our lessons on the short story Duel. Okay, so last lesson you will have picked about 10 quotations that you think best summarise the short story. Okay, so what you now need to do is use these quotations to produce a tension graph that charts the differing levels of tension in the story. So I don't think that we've ever done a tension graph before, so I just wanted to quickly run through what a tension graph looks like and how you go about assembling one. Okay, so when you've completed your graph, what you'll be able to do is have a sense of how the levels of tension change within the story, okay? Which is going to help you with the last two writing tasks that we're going to be doing later on, okay? So, I have here a very handy, pre-drawn out tension graph that I've apparently not given a title, even though all graphs should have a title, okay? You'll notice that what I've not done is actually put a scale on this tension side here on this axis, because there's not really much of a need to, it's not sort of quantitative, you can't really count tension, okay? So, first things first then, we need to have a look at what our first quotation is, okay? So, our first quotation, well, my first quotation that I chose is at 11:32 a.m, man passed the truck, okay? So, for the first one, how tense do I think that quote really is? At 11:32 a.m, man passed the truck. I don't think that's very tense at all. Okay, I'm going to put it just above the axis here. Put an X. Okay, let's have a look at what our second quote is. It was a huge gasoline tanker pulling a tank trailer. Now, unfortunately, I have been scarred for life by such films as Final Destination, so I personally don't like it if I happen to be driving past something a little bit on the dangerous side on a road, okay? So I would put that as a bit more tense, okay? Obviously it seems like nothing's happening, but for me personally, that is. So the third one. The highway ahead was straight now. Man drifted into a reverie. So a reverie is when you're just kind of not really paying attention to what's happening. You're not really paying attention to anything really around you. It's kind of like when you go on autopilot a little bit, okay? So I would say that is less tense than the previous one. But we're in a story and we know that there is, something is going to happen on this journey. So I'd say that's a little bit more tense than where we started, but definitely less tense too. Okay? So, what you will find is that once you have finished your graph, alright, you should be able to connect the dots, alright? So you'll start in the corner and make sure that you go through and connect the dots. What you're probably going to find is that the tension graph is going to look something like that. Right? But it's important that you get your levels of tensions from your particular quotes. Okay, so I hope that's fairly clear. If you do have any questions, do let me know. Okay, I hope that you all enjoyed today's lesson, and good luck.